Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to leave a group on Meetup. All right. As you can see here, I'm using the Meetup app. Now, when we go to our home right here and tap on the particular event or group, all right, as you can see here, you won't be able to leave the group from here. As you can see, there's no leave button. So what we're going to do to leave a specific event or group is just go ahead over to our profile. All right. Tap on your profile right here at the top right. Tap on it. Once done, you're going to want to scroll down and find the group right here, which you are a member of. For example, here, this one, the Metro Meetups. I'm going to tap on this one right here and wait for the app to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see, there's an available button, which is a 3 dots. I'm just going to tap on it. Down here, as you can see, you'll be able to just tap on Leave Group, tap on it, and there will be a prompt. Are you sure you want to leave the particular group? Then if you're certain, just go ahead and tap on Leave the Group, tap on it, and wait for it to load. And as you can see, we just successfully left the group. Right? And that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.